Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's topic is verb, Arabic verb. Now, let's go. This is, we say, fa'un, ainun, lamun. Fam fatha fa, you can see it. Ainun fatha a, lam fatha la, fa'a la. Hamdomohu, one fatawa, huwa. Now, say it with me. Fam fatha fa.
Fam fatha fa.
Ainun fatha a.
Ain fatha ha.
Lam fatha la.
Lam fatha la.
Fa'ala.
Fahala.
Hamdomohu.
Amdomohu.
One fatawa.
One fatawa.
Huwa.
Huwa.
Fa'ala huwa.
Fa'ala huwa.
Fa'ala huwa.
Fa'ala huwa.
Now, let's go to the next one. You say fa'un. If you know how to read this one, you can know how to recite Quran completely. You can know how to recite Quran completely. Our aim is know how to recite Quran by yourself. Fam fatha fa.
Fam fatha fa.
Ainun fatha a.
Ain fatha ha.
Lam fatha la.
Lam fatha la.
Dashmada la.
Fi'almata la.
Fa'ala.
Fa'ala.
Hamdomohu.
Amdomohu.
Ham fatha ha.
Am fatha ha.
Min fatha ma.
Min fatha ma.
Fa'ala huma.
Fa'ala huma.
Fa'ala huma.
Fa'ala huma.
Now let's go to the next one. Fam fatha fa. Ainun fatha a. Lam fatha wan sukun lu. Hamdomohu. Mimun sukun. Fam fatha fa.
Fam fatha fa.
Ainun fatha a.
Ain fatha ha.
Lam domolu.
Lam domolu.
Wa uskun lu.
Wa unsulu.
Fa'alu.
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 Fahalu.
Hamdomohu.
Amdomohu.
Mimuskun.
Mimuskun.
Hum. Fa'aluhum.
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 Fahaluhum.
Fa'aluhum.
Fa'aluhum.
Now, let's go to the next one. Fam fatha fa. Ainun fatha ta uskun. Fam fatha fa.
Fam fatha fa.
Ainun fatha a.
Ain fatha ha.
Lam fatha la.
Lam fatha la.
Ta uskun.
Ta uskun.
Let's.
Fa'alat.
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 Ham kisrahi.
Anskohi.
Yam fatha ya.
Yang fatha ya.
Fa'alat hiya.
Fa'alat iya.
Fa'alat hiya.
Fa'alat iya.
Fa'alat hiya.
Fa'alat iya.
Fa'alat hiya.
Fa'alat iya.
Now, you can say fam fatha fa. Ainun lamun ta'un. You can see how they resemble each other. Fam fatha fa.
Fam fatha fa.
Ainun fatha a.
Ain fatha ha.
Lam fatha la.
Lam fatha lam.
Tam fatha ta.
Tam fatha ta.
Bi alf mada ta.
Bihamdata ta.
Fa'ala ta.
Fahalata.
Hamdomohu.
Amdomohu.
Min fatha ma.
Min fatha ma.
Bi alf mada ma.
Bihamdata ma.
فعلتهما
فعلتهما
فعلتهما.
فعلتهما.
For now, this is the end of this lesson. We can continue with this one, but not now, till another lesson. You can see they are very simple to understand. Fa'un, each has fa'un, 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 ainun, 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 lamun, 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 lamun. You can see it. Fa'ala.
Fa'ala.
This one and this one, the difference is the alpha madda that is here. This one is fa'ala. This one is fa'ala. Because of this alpha madda, you can see there is no alpha madda here. This one is fa'ala and this one is fa'alu wa uskun. Fa'un, ainu, lamun, lamun domolu, wa uskun lu, fa'alu. You can see it. Ham domohu, mimuskun hum, fa'aluhum. Inshallah, till we meet again in our next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.